Hello, my name is Peter Dodge and I'm a barrister at Radcliffe Chambers. Most of my cases involve one or more of three distinct areas of law: banking and financial services, property, and professional negligence. And I'm joined today by Jeremy Cousins, who's also a member of Radcliffe Chambers, for this residential property webinar entitled Mortgages in 2021. The webinar will, we hope, be of interest not only to those acting for lenders and borrowers generally, but also to those acting for professionals such as solicitors and valuers and their insurers in claims arising from mortgage lending. Now, I'll be discussing first the recent judgment of the Supreme Court in the professional negligence case of Manchester Building Society and Grant Thornton, what's being referred to as Samco Revisited, and secondly, a cautionary tale for private lenders arising from the statutory regulation of mortgage lending under FSMA, the case of Jackson and Ailes. So, Jeremy, what are you going to be talking about?
Well, thank you, Peter. I'm going to be talking about the relationship between lenders, borrowers, valuers, and some other professionals, including in particular receivers, as we expect to see more litigation arising from the repossession of mortgaged property. For a while now, with COVID restrictions on retaking possession of property by lenders, cases of that kind have been rather more subdued. But as we emerge from COVID, we hope, we expect to see a resurgence in those types of claims. That's the first thing I'm going to be talking about. After I've spoken about those claims generally, I want to talk in particular about attempts by lenders on behalf of some of their professionals that they engage, in particular receivers, to exclude responsibility for the duties which they have when they're selling repossessed property. In particular, I'm going to be talking about a case that was tried in the commercial court last year called CNN, where exclusion clauses were very carefully scrutinized. So we're having a look at what's been going on in the courts with attempts at exclusion over the last couple of years.
So that's the webinar, Mortgages in 2021. And we very much look forward to you joining us.